St. Athan in one of the most dangerous hoods imaginable.
In Wales.
This is day one looking for Max.
Shit. Thing is,
so we're here, obviously in the St. Athan Street garage. The last time we saw him was over there. So we need to find him.
shit, what was that? Did you hear that gunshot then?
Runneth thy pockets. I
What was that?
not you
One of
scallywag.
5 pockets. What the fuck? Yeah. This neighbour's
Don't worry, guys.
There's a guy walking a dog. Shit.
Don't worry, guys. We have stab-proof vests on underneath our thing.
And bulletproof vest just in case. He's down there, isn't he?
Okay, he isn't.
Yeah, this is where loads of. Yeah, I know you can't really see it, but it's like
Guys,
loads of.
this is a red flag.
Oh my god. This is what they use to fucking riot.
You're here. This is what.
What do you are? It looks like you've been through war.
So this must be the guillotine they use to stand. This is horrible. What is?
Oh, look at the blood on it, man.
Is that brick? No, that's
What is
a piece of wood.
Is that?
That is the wood they use.
Caramel.
That is the Molotov cocktails they use to chuck on stuff. So we're
God,
gonna
no.
be very, very careful what we say and do.
And guys, this is home to the most infamous gang, the Bloods and the Crips.
What's in the crop?
Oh my god. Their blocks are around here somewhere.
We are on now Grove Street.
This is gross. This is Compton. I shouldn't really be out because I got blue on. But yeah, I'm not affiliated with any gangs.
You gotta like speak lightly, my guy.
Yeah.
We're actually here on a square. We're actually on what was it? Woodpecker Square.
One of the most dangerous squares in St. Athan, Woodpecker Square. I have to keep looking back and right just because like someone might mug us, you know.
So I do not see any roadmen trying to.
And to prove how dangerous this is, they've had to build a military base right next to it because they can't contain the guns, the stabbings, the muggings, the bonfires, the explosions, the robberies, murders. It is so dangerous. Oh shit!
We're here. We just heard a gunshot.
Shit! Another shit. Right, I think that's it. Hang on. Is this Bullfinch Avenue?
Okay, we're gonna have to.
Bullfinch Road.
Okay, guys. We're gonna have to run to the next vehicle for more.
Oh shit! Another one. Right, 3, to go.
You look like a retard.
Like a retard. Shit. Alright,
Stay back. Stay back.
This is home to the Crips Road.
Make sure you take it. Shit. If you look around there, we just saw a gunman.
Oh shit! Another gunshot. Shit.
Fuck. Oh no. Okay, we went the wrong way, guys. There's a gang war clearly.
Another one.
There's a gang war clearly happening up there. We're gonna have to go back to where we were to retreat.
We have to go back to Chestnut Square. No,
West-
Woodpecker
Square.
Square.
Make sure we're safe.
Another one. 3, 2, 1. Make a run for it. Go. Oh shit! They're shooting at us. Oh shit! Behind the car. Oh fuck! Another one. Oh shit! Get down. Oh shit! Yo, this is dangerous territory, you know.
We're gonna have to make another run for this over here just to be
To a
safe.
local park.
Just to be safe, guys.
3. Another one. 3. Come on, go! Oh shit! The afterbirds. Shit! No, the Crips and the Bloods are whatever they are. They're after us.
Pass this guillotine.
Oh shit! Not the guillotine. Oh shit! Oh shit! Another one.
That was close, guys. There was a gang war happening right up there.
Oh.
Oh shit. We've just come upon something.
Oh no! What's that? Is that where they used to hang people?
Yes.
Oh no! Is that where the Bloods like hang the rocks?
You can actually see the previous blood of someone on here.
Yeah. Oh, this is fucked up. This place. No wonder they have to put the fucking military next to it. So guys, do not come to St. Athan. It's the most dangerous hood in Wales.
Oh, there's a spider web. We're only here to find Max.
Max could be dead.
Find him.
Could have been mugged.
I think we should give him a phone call.
No.
We can't find him. We should probably just give him a phone call. That's how cold it is, guys. It's actually -2 right now, which is actually a mad.
The moon's out.
Moon's out, moon's shining.
Witching
There's
hour.
one star, but you know,
Fucking hell.
that's actually a ballistic satellite.
Hang on. Gone in
Come
comes
back.
Paul.
Come back. First, tell us where you were.
Tell us who you are. You cheeky bastard.
At this point in the video, me and Evan were very pissed off at Max's response.
We just came here for no reason. We all just died for no reason.
To find Maximus Games.
He was not, yeah.
Okay, I think we're gonna have to take a trip. We have to. Fuck. We still have to get out of here.
Shit. Oh no, I think I see one. They're going shit. They ran to us. They're all let's go. You're my cameraman. No, run. Quick. We have to protect them. Please, Griffin. I know.
Stay by here. Stay against
I
the wall.
know. I've got it all mapped up in my head. They kidnapped Max, right? They got him at gunpoint, right?
They're taking him to a house.
No. They say to him, I'm at home, yeah, so they can, when we go home, they'll kidnap us. Setting us up.
One sec, I gotta do this. It was only peace talks now, Adam. Oh. Let me start.
Yeah. Hold fire.
We mean no harm.
Shit! Oh fuck! Yo, we need to get the fuck out of here. We need to plan. Down there.
Right, one sec. If maybe they were just edged, you know?
Edged.
Maybe it was just edging up.
Edging.
Maybe if we try again.
Hey, try again.
I need to use that slang this time.
Go, bro.
I'll use the slang of this ops block, whatever.
Of this tribe.
Of this gang. Yo, blood, wagwan! Yo, we're just here to just look around, you get me? Yo, I think they're fine with it.
Yeah, they just walked off. Oh. Could be a setup. Shit! Oh fuck! Another gunshot.
You ops trying to get on our block, you get me? We know it's your turf, but we don't want any harm, you get me, man?
Bruv. Family.
Get me, bruv.
G.
We are no ops, you get me? Yeah, they're fine now.
Yeah, they're actually really
I
fine.
think they want to initiate us into the gang, but like, because we're just cameramen and we're just here to actually experience the adventure. We're actually going to take you into their actually hunting ground for new prey. Shouldn't say prey, but it's a new gang affiliation members. We call it St. Athan Park.
St. Athan Park, oh shit. The St. Athan Park rebels.
Right now we're going to meet some of the youths which would be here.
Drop 10 people.
If you look right here, the sign, they should bring the sign there.
Shit. See, look, they've had to have the fucking stamp there. No smoking. Woodpecker Square. What the fuck's that?
Can your mum not ring us on a TV
Yeah, it's
show?
Maximus Games again. Try to set us up.
Watch the video.
What video?
It's sending.
Okay.
Is that Braille?
Yeah, it's Braille.
No, it's not Braille.
It's
Alright, watch it now.
That
Anyway,
was
boys.
Max. That was the gang capturing Max. That was them.
Has he got a video of us?
We're going to do something other gang members do. We're going to climb up here.
Yo, what is this, guys?
This is what the gang sent to us. Is that Max in the video? So I can hear them in the distance. I can see Max getting tortured. Well, give us Max back right now. We want him. We know you. We know you're the gang. All right.
Yeah, Woodpecker Square gang, yeah, we're on you.
Yeah, we're on op right now. You op. Yeah, was that fun? Well, give us Max back right now. We want him. We know you're the gang.
Alright, back to business.
Okay, if you want to follow me, guys, follow me to this new. This is their territory. If you want to climb up here with me, Adam.
Not really.
If you want to go at first.
This is dangerous. What if they see us, man? Look at all the fucking windows they've got. This is op territory.
Trust me, this is like the watering hole. They don't attack here.
Oh,
All
really?
they do is look for prey. They look for new gang affiliation members.
So
to join up to their gangs. Okay, we're gonna go up here right now.
So this is the blue circle for the blue crypts.
Yep, and there's like a red
That's red.
fighter jet by there for like.
This is
No,
their
no,
territory, you get me?
There's a red circle by here as well. Right, we're gonna go up.
Wow.
Hopefully we make it to the top without being harmed.
Go on, you first, big boy. Nice muddy. You're so muddy. It's unbelievable. Shit. Right.
Get on it.
Oh no, oh no.
Okay guys, we are here up on a gang affiliation watering hole. Hopefully we don't get attacked here.
Oh no.
Oh. Okay, to officially not be, so to keep safe and not be caught by these gangs, we're gonna cross a bridge. This is a very ropey bridge, so if you want to go first,
I want to go for it.
I'm gonna hold you.
Oh god. Wait, touch my hips. Whoa! Oh shit! Touch my arms. No, I'm alright. You need help? Yeah, come on, hold my hand.
One sec.
Go. Oh shit, go drag me with you.
Got it?
Hey, hold on tight, baby. Whoa. Oh shit, whoa.
I slipped. I slipped a second. I thought you said you'd save me.
I can't, but you're dragging me with you. Oh my god. Why do you always fall over?
Guys, I will be honest. I think Adam's been recording this upside down.
Ow, what happened?
No, because it's meant to be on the top, by the way.
Huh?
No, it's been.
I'm bent over right now. I could get fucking arse raped.
This is actually what you're meant to do when you cross the bridge.
Just sit down.
This actually shows that with the gang you're actually at peace with them. So maybe they will stop shooting at us. Right, now it's time to get back up. They say this is the trickiest part.
Stop. I can't stop. Oh, your face when you fall.
This is the trickiest part. It'd be nice if my cameraman could lend a hand.
I'm too busy holding it. Just jump down, you're not going to make it.
I won't fit through that. We're in a sticky situation, guys. I thought this would be easier than the gang say it is. But it isn't.
Oh, it's a fucking thing made for 4-year-olds. How are you getting stuck already? You didn't even make it to the second one. You fucking got off the first one and just slipped. Get up. Come on. Hold the rope. No, not the rope. Oh my god. Like, put your legs on the rope. Just a little bit more grip.
So guys, this is what you're meant to do on the way past. On the way through.
It's taking you like 5 minutes just to cross a fucking 3-step bridge.
Adam's just gonna finish the way.
On my back.
Adam's gonna get a bottom view of what this is meant to look
Can I
like.
actually get down?
Yeah,
Oh no, it's too shit, man.
No, go down the slide. Go down the fucking slide.
Stop! I can't. What are you doing?
Imagine
How did you manage to do that?
Imagine having a rave through me.
I can't get down.
You see what I mean?
Oh shit, hold that. Yeah, hold that.
So my cameraman is trying to get down right now to show you what it's meant to look like from the outside. If you record this, you're probably going to see my ass, but you know, it's a part of the clip, so... You're probably going to see my ass, by the way.
Go on.
Come on, hurry up. This is what this is meant to look like from the side view. With my legs are meant to be down, by the way. So we actually have to get out here now because I'm starting to hear ops pulling out.
I can hear gunshots, revving, burner.
Whoa!
Shit!
Oh no! One of those.
You just gave me a shot back in sides. Get down, hurry up!
Oh, I just got a trim. Fucking hell, Jesus. Yo.
Oh my god.
One sec.
Yo, you actually got your fucking ear off. 1 sec, you fucking messed up my trim.
Yo, oh shit, fuck. Yo, they're coming.
Bro, I didn't get time to react then.
Hi guys, we're back. We're not at Woodpecker Square, we're at somewhere else. But we're at like a car park view. So we decided to run because of the shots, you know, the shots.
Got a bit too dangerous.
We regrouped. We're ready to go again.
What's the time?
What's the time?
10 o'clock?
I don't have my phone, so...
Oh, yeah. I'll show you guys the time.
Show them the temperature as well.
So it's currently 2 degrees at
No, it's
Woodpecker
not.
Square.
No, it's not. Because my phone's bad. Anyway, tells the actual degrees.
So it's
It was like a 10
basically
hour.
10 o'clock.
It was like 5 hours behind. Anyway.
5 hours behind, that doesn't make sense.
No, in like the
timing.
Yeah, the degrees. So we're gonna head down this road.
This is the road leading up to Woodpecker Square. The most dangerous strip.
I'm actually scared.
Same, I'm quivering right now, can't I?
I'm really cold. We've been told off of locals here. We've been told off of locals here to stay to the side, stay on the path.
Stay on the path. Avoid any conflict. Any hooded men.
Put your hoods up.
Act normal.
Act normal. And just walk forward. If anyone asks you anything or starts to run up on you,
Do not go down this alley.
say you're
Known for muggins.
If you can see the colour of their headband, it should be red or blue. If you want to be blue, say you're part of blue gang. If it's red, say you're part of red gang.
Does that mean I'm part of blue? Yeah.
No, just like say it.
Yeah, guys. That's their mating call.
No,
Intruder alert.
No, that's actually chomp.
Chomp.
Chop. That's actually chop.
Chop, alright.
That's their gang dog.
Around the corner there's 2 utes.
There's an XL bully in the other.
No, buddy.
Okay, right, guys.
Around this corner there's 2 utes.
So any conflict we go into, we have to
Like, they see us,
steer
okay?
them back by saying you weren't part of it.
We have to make sure they don't see us. If they see us, we sassy bestie. I'll go first, right? I'll go first. No, I'll go first. I'll go first. Don't worry, I'll put the camera like around me.
You guys ready?
Alright, guys. Shh, do that again. Go.
Right, yeah, good.
Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Alright, guys, look, I'll show you the sign to prove that we're Woodpecker Square. Right, we're entering like war territory, gang territory, whatever you want to call it. Now look, guys, ready?
Woodpecker Square.
Standing for the sign. Woodpecker Square. Hang on, I don't want to record someone's house though. Oh no!
At this point of the video,
Right, guys,
this is the sound of the 2 utes we spotted off camera earlier.
Let's make a run
They
for it.
didn't tell us about this part of the...
Shit. Right, make a run for it. 3.
Which way?
Is it 3?
We can't go back that way.
Why not?
The XL bully.
Shit, no. Straight up
Well,
and
there's
right.
like-
Straight up and right.
There's like a road down
No,
there.
I'm not fucking that way. Hang on. Up and right. 3, 2.
Wait.
Sorry, 1 sec.
We mean no harm.
No.
No.
It's got a flashlight on.
Yeah, we're definitely not recording. Whatever you assume, we are not recording for a YouTube channel called Buy.
Yeah, so the other day, we got to leave now because they're getting a bit aggravated. Yeah, they don't like us here, so we're going to go somewhere else. Shit, they're approaching us. They're approaching, and repeat. Oh fuck, I'd rather go for an XL bully than confront 2 12-year-olds. Oh shit, we're back. Oh, are they coming? Imagine. Yeah, so basically, alright. They're coming. Are they coming? Yeah? Oh.
Hey guys, we're just gonna lay low here
Lay low.
until they go.
We should go explore the other district down there.
Yeah, we haven't.
It's not very talked about, is it?
I think there's only like that by there.
Should we go up and right then?
Should we just go see what's up there?
Yeah, let's go. You look like a fucking... Hi.
On the phone.
Texting the besties. No, recording.
Guys, Skelly likes us here.
They're coming, guys, quick, the voice, get over here, quick. Get the autograph. Shit, that's the headquarters up there. Oh, we have to be careful around these ends. Shit, look, Woodpecker Square. The back alley's Woodpecker Square. Look, there's a whole new block down here. Alright, guys.
Hi guys, we are back at Woodpecker Square. Oh no,
raining?
Woodpecker Square, we're on a different road. Oh shit, there's a guy here.
Wait, why is he out of town? Oh, shit. That's naked.
Yeah,
I saw him.
Woodpecker Square.
I just saw a woodpecker then. Actually, oh, I just stepped in the mud.
Saw a woodpecker. We're actually not. Oh,
grown.
there's someone sitting in the corner as well, just waiting.
Oh, he's looking at us. We're recording it as well. Oi, so go. Yeah, I just saw me a woodpecker.
So yeah, we just saw another woodpecker.
So it's got their Christmas tree up.
So we're here. Actually, we're about to go.
Yeah. So oh shit. Here the linger. We're watching. Harry Potter.
Christmas decorations. It's the 25th. Was in the month, isn't it? Guys, we're going to take a turn by here.
Shit. Yeah, stay back. Imagine we walk past us just giving heads. Oh, what the fuck?
Yo, we're at Woodpecker Square. Woodpecker Square. Yeah, we're at Woodpecker Square. Yeah, we're at Woodpecker Square. It's filming a bit, you know.
Yeah. A documentary.
I think he's outside.
My legs hurt really bad.
Oh, today.
Really?
Bad.
Bed. Oh, alright, we'll be like there in like maybe like an hour or two.
Okay.
It's actually really fun outside. And I'm just like we just saw some woodpecker.
Yeah, we actually saw like a guy's cock in the window.
We walked past. He walked in as me and Adam was stood there. We started recording. He's just here standing in his
With a
living room.
woodpecker out and woodpecker
It's
square.
like wife is in the corner.
He's like, oh, come here, baby. I'm gonna fuck you up.
So before we see other people shag him, we're gonna just move.
Yeah, no, I don't want to see another fucking woodpecker. Alright, love you, babes.
I love you.
Give you a good sneak when I get back.
Okay.
Love you.
Right, bye.
Bye.
But you hang up on us. Whoa. Okay, guys, that was just momentarily.
Yeah.
Whoa, I see fence.
Oh, shit, fence. Oh, he's put a muscle on my leg. I know where we are.
Touch my hand.
Oh my god. What's down there?
Do you want to go down there?
I mean, fuck it.
No, that's just the airport.
That's nice. Houses.
It just goes up there. It's like another green.
Shit. Should we see those hooligans at the park still?
Why are they out at this time?
I know.
Yo, my mum would just whip me if I was out at this time.
There's a week now, isn't there?
And there was different times back then.
Yeah, different times.
Yo, you could get smacked by a shoe if you could.
Get lobbed in the face by a
You
fucking...
get hit by a brush if you could.
with a mop to the face.
If you had a mop in the way, you'd get hit with
Shit,
a
it's
mop.
Bullfinch Road.
These days, you can't even get hit. They're like,
Guys,
you
look.
Pell 'em off.
Bullfinch Road.
Shit, guys. We're in Jack Finch's room.
Jack Finch.
Shit,
What's that? It's like googly eyes. Why are there googly eyes on it?
Hey, guys.
Oh, I can't get it off. It's super glued. Gunshots. This is the van we hit mum before.
Wait, is there a different gang war?
Shit. You're fucking muddy as fuck.
Yo, I see nothing. I don't think there's a gang war. I think someone just shot a gun.
No, you can't see. There's a fucking thing in the way.
Okay.
Someone's probably thinking, why are you up by my fucking eye? Let's go.
Which way are we going?
Where are they? I know where they live. They live like opposite to me.
They're gonna go. They're like Irish.
Be quiet, Matt, go. Why did they just there? Oi, oi.
I keep forgetting. Like,
I
my
know.
phone.
Oh no, oh shit, it's so bad when you like think you lose, like, oh shit, I can't find my phone.
I like the drag goes through.
Yeah, like, oh no.
Okay, so where are we going?
I know.
So guys, we're going down.
It's like a lane by
Woodpecker
it.
Square. We're not actually on it, so we can't actually go.
We're literally on the corner of Woodpecker Square. Woodpecker Square.
I'm actually frightened inside, guys.
Same.
I'm actually. What's this down here?
There's a path.
Oh shit, what's this sign say?
There's a sign.
There used to be a sign this side.
Nothing there,
That
it's
used to
nothing
be a
road.
sign. Used to be a sign.
Oh guys, people on Woodpecker Square actually celebrate Christmas.
Another road.
Shit.
Partridge Road.
Partridge Road. A partridge in a pear tree.
700th day of Christmas, someone said to me, oh no, leave me alone.
Alright, they're definitely still at the block, you get me? They're on patrol.
What do you think? They're there. Or the ops are there.
Yeah, the ops are definitely there. Partridge Road. Fuck. Should I go have a look? They are. Get on. Remember, we said that last time they were fucking there. What was that? Oh shit! Oh my leg! Ah, he's got his dog out. Shit! Why that guy just got a door open? Holy shit! Right, put the phone down. There. Shit. We're in dangerous territory right now, bro. They are. I can see him.
There's no one there.
They could be lurking, bro.
No one there.
Finally. Fuck, I've got a block to ourselves now. Hi, bestie. I'm like,
We are actually back at the hunting ground
but Evan got stuck.
where I unfortunately had to do the ritual of the crew. I mean, of the gang.
This is probably the best sleep over we had.
They should come
Look
back.
at your back.
No, I've only been through a wall, alright? We're actually going to sit down on a bench for like 10 minutes because we're going to figure out what we're going to do. See if any...
I felt like looking for the window, waiting for us to come. Like, I found that.
You've got to do that every time. Adam, you have to do it. Spit on the ground. It's for good luck. That's what our guide told us to do. Spit on the ground.
Mark your territory. Shit, I don't like this. It's giving me dodgy vibes. Dodgy vibes. Guys, look, litter.
Guys, we're going to take a breath.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, look how shanty that bloody bench is. Alright guys, we'll cut back when we gather a plan.
Good luck.
Good luck. Oh, it's on now. You can barely see you.
Okay guys, we found a zip line and Max doesn't want to go on it. But me and Adam have, and I fell off on the first
Evan face planted the floor when he did it like the second time. Go right up against, you have to be leaning against that.
You have to lean.
Yeah, that's what I did. It's really funny. Put your legs up as well. And just hold on tight when you get to the end. No, right against it.
Yeah, these just every time just fall down.
Shall I chase you with the phone?
It does crush
Right,
the
put your ass right against that. Get it right furthest back. Put it right both of your heads. Go further back. Is that the furthest it goes? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
wall.